Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Today, we are shooting Psych Blues number 4. Since you're here, I'm gonna bring you along with me. Bundle up. Let's go.
I'll let you go, just need some time. At your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me. You do not know what I have in mind. I packed our bags, we'll be on our way. The night was long as I waited without a sign. A sign of what matters to you. But what do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery. It's been 72 weeks in this town. I still believe I'll see you again. No matter what, I got off the ground for something that matters.
Oh no, I spilled my cereal. Oh crap.
What do you want?
I'm just kidding.
What's your biggest need?
Where am I?
Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery. I just hope we could stay together. We wait and see, but the chances are small, just like the lottery.
Hey, that is the end of that roll. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think I got some good pictures, so I'm excited to see. I'm gonna go and develop them, and I will have done that by the time you see this video, obviously, so why am I even saying that? I don't know. Okay, leave a like if you enjoyed. Yeah, that's it. See you tomorrow for another episode of Vlogmas. Okay, bye! Ring, ring, ring. Hello? Hello? There was no one there. My boot came untied already.